Yeah. Oh, ah, ah, hi, hi everyone. How's it going? Sorry, I was setting stuff up and then I decided to take a nap, and then yeah, it's suddenly time to stream. Sorry, I am kind of stuffed up, so. Oh, hi, hi Kiri, hi. Yeah. So. Today we're going to be doing some fun reverse engineering. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be a lot of smashing your face against well, smashing my face against something until things work. Um, etto. So what we're going to be working on is getting the SunRay3 stuff all happy. Can I just do that? Does that work? Oh, that works! But today I learned you can just like give Ocular a URL and it will pull a PDF from the internet. That's great. Okay. So we're going to be playing with these. It's a nondescript box. It's got DVI on the back. It's got smart card, USB, front panel audio, serial, that kind of stuff. It's a cute little box. It's a thin client basically, and it's mainly designed for Solaris workstations, right? They did ship Linux software, but you know it's unmaintained and bad. So the goal I want to accomplish is replacing the software. So reverse engineering enough of the user space, kernel space, and firmware, and the network protocol involved in order to implement a Linux user space component for modern Linux or maybe it should be able to be user space. There might need to be a kernel space component because you have to deal with like USB port and audio devices and like device forwarding over the network. But I think if we get really janky, we can do that entirely in user space. But yeah, so I want to repurpose these to be modern, right? Oh, this isn't even a computer though. This is, well, okay, it's technically speaking, it's a quote-unquote computer, but it's dedicated for multi-seat environments. And the cool part is, so the way these worked, or were designed to work, is you have a set of big chunky Solaris servers in a server room, and then you'd have a bunch of these all hooked up all around the office or wherever. And then you have a smart card that's like part of your badge. So you have a live desktop on the server, you plug it into any of these stations, and it brings up your desktop and authenticates and forwards all the devices. So what that lets you do is essentially a hot desk. Oh, thank you for the follow. Yeah, it's designed to let you hot desk, right? So the goal is to hopefully get it's kind of like a modern VT100, but it's graphical. There's two versions. There's the SunRay3, and then there's the SunRay3 Pro. The SunRay3 Pro has dual display output, so you get two screens. It also has SFP for networking and a few other things. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. I have a little notebook. I already did some look-sees ahead of time, being cheeky like that. So this is the SoC on the SunRay 1, or the SunRay 3 non-pro. It's a NetLogic AU. It's essentially a MIPS SoC, right? It's a cute little MIPS box, basically. Excuse me. It's also got some NOR flash. It's got a classic NOR flash package there. And then we do have some headers. So we have a JTAG header up here. And then it uses what we think is the MIPS EJ tag. And then there's this header right here, which I'm pretty sure is UART. I don't have any of my hardware set up at the moment. So that's going to be fun. But I have everything on the desk. So it's probably just going to be some comfy chatting until I get things beeped out. And hooked up with flying leads. Because I'm going to be using a Glasgow for its Autobot capabilities, as well as its RxTX Discovery, and then using that to talk to the JTAG port. Yeah, but the SunRays are cute little boxes. They've got basically everything you need for a little portable hot desk environment. Very cute. Okay. I need my multimeter. Sorry, I'm sorry you all can't see any of this. I would have set up a camera, but I only have one camera and it's being used for face tracking. But, you can hear that. Okay. So I basically just need to identify, I just need to identify power and ground, which means I just need to identify ground. Where's a good ground point on this board? I won't say the shield's good for ground. Maybe that? Okay, so the leftmost pin appears to be ground? I think? Yeah, okay. That's ground. The leftmost pin is ground. So that's ground right there. Let me note this down. So, let's write this down up here, actually. This is also my first time using Obsidian for its note-taking capabilities, so I'm going to be a bit slow at it. Hi! So we've got J29, and I'm just going to say pin 1 is ground. Buzz. God, I wish I wasn't blind. I need to find power positive rail. That's probably it. Okay, so it looks like from the picture, you can't see it from this angle, but this big thick trace that's going here goes right under this pin and then over. So I'm guessing that's power. So pin 4 would be power, which means the two pins in the center have to be RxTX. So, yeah. Pin 2, we don't know. Pin 3, we don't know. Pin 4 is likely power. Okay. So that's good. Let me break off some ribbon cable. I've got a big, thick brand of the rainbow jumper leads. They're great. Not the best quality, but, you know, when you need jumpers. They are decent. So just gotta, come on, stick on, there we go. Okay. I should probably set video capture stuff up, shouldn't I? So I've got one of these cheap HDMI video capture USB dongle. What's it? Let's see if it works. Before I forget, I want to okay, so anything that appears after that is the new video device. PV, video 4, video 3 then. There we go. Okay. So that's there. Let me plug in the DVI. And then I have to get the... I'm so sorry this is all happening behind the scenes. It'll get better, I promise. It'll get more interesting once all the hardware stuff is set up. I hope the power button on this still works. I kind of smushed the power... It's a capacitive touch power button thing. Did that work? I can't tell if that worked. We good? Hello? You're plugged in. Alright. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yes, Oracle. It's a officially it's a Oracle SunRay. But okay, so it powers up. We get video. It's not going to be able to talk to the network because I didn't because I didn't plug in a network cable. I forgot to get one. Shoot, but that's not a big deal. I don't have anything running for it yet. I forgot a keyboard. Nuts. You all won't mind if I go digging for a keyboard, would you? No. We should be fine. Have to go find my X-ray machine keyboard. Alright, so that's fine. Let's turn that off and unplug it, and then we'll get the Glasgow set up for that, which is going to be fun. Setting up a Glasgow. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, okay. Don't need that anymore. CD temp. How's everybody doing, by the way? Hope you're all having a good one. Okay. Still kicking. That's good. Being less sick is good. Oh, God. The cable mess here is getting exponentially worse the more things I have to plug in. You good there, buddy? We got Brief Life. Uh-oh, I hope the Glasgow's not forked. It might be my USB-C cable. Uh-oh. This is kind of an important tool. I don't have another USB-C. No, that's not entirely true. Do I have another USB-C to USB-A? I have two USB-Cs to USB-C. That doesn't help me. I might need to take the case off. Why are you cranky? I love fighting with devices. Alright, I'm gonna take it out of the case, see if that helps. Again, I'm sorry you can't see much. Sadly, meat space is non-captured. Yes, I pat the hardware. It might have patted it a little too much. Yeah, that's about the right size. Oh, pat. Yeah, thank you for the pats. I mean, it's in an anodized aluminum case. I don't see why it's having too many problems. Oh, come on. I think this was a known problem with this particular Glasgow unit, is that it's having trouble powering inside the case. I'm not sure if that's actually true. I do remember this unit's supposed to work, though. So I hope I didn't fry it by trying to plug that in, but I shouldn't have. I mean, this is not a new Glasgow, right? This has been in use for a while. I have to fix an unrelated piece of hardware. Because, you know, that's how things go. No rest for the wicked, as they say. Okay. The Glasgow is extracted from its case. Let me put my screwdriver away. Luckily, that has always been just on the desk. Alright, let's try that again. I might have to exchange cables and go hunting. But I shouldn't. Okay, yeah, it's just the case. There's something wrong with the case. It should be fine. I don't see it. Okay, there it is. Glasgow debug tool. Alright, it's actually alive. How do I actually use it now? I don't remember, and it's been too long. How do I use Glasgow? I had... let's make a virtual environment. Glasgow.vn bin activate rehash. Python install that. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yep. Install that. Oh, what? Oh, right. They organized this weirdly. Sorry, I should have done all this setup before, but I had a nap before stream. Naps are important. Okay, that's all I'm getting. What? No package metadata was found. Oh no. Okay, so are we going to have to patch Glasgow now? That's not going to be. Welcome to Linux, where all the tool. Oh, it's a raining expired popsicle. Software, Glasgow. Net package resource. What is going wrong? Hi, Majis! Oh, yes, drinking. That would be a good idea. Okay, what did they do? Because they entirely broke this. This is just horribly broken, and I don't know what they did. Pip list, pip, uninstall region. Two. Yes, that's fine. Currently have all packages installed, which is incompatible. That's fine. Hey, fixed it. Who knows if anything else is going to break? Command. What commands are there? Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Does it see the Glasgow? It sees the Glasgow. That's good. It sees the Glasgow. We want to run UART. TTY. How does Marcan do this? We want tac A, we want tac M. Okay, I guess I should hook the Glasgow up. Let me unplug it, hook it up. Okay, so the way I hooked this up, that would be ground, which, where's the case? So I can properly do this. You'll be ground. Oh, these pins are, they feel bad. Just feels bad. No, that's not ground, that's voltage. Oops. Yeah, ground. sense. And then I'll just do 0 and 1. As arbitrarily hooked up. Okay, we're actually gonna get to some interesting stuff now that I think things are starting to work. Okay. How do I specify which port? Backpack port A. What are the arguments? I specified that. I specified that. Is it cranky about the order? Error, one of the arguments is required. Yes, I specified. What is wrong there? Does anybody have any idea? Oh, I'm just stupid. Okay. Also, hi Mary. Okay. Okay, I guess we need to officially fix the Junior 2 has no attribute context function. Okay, so Ginger 3 is incompatible. Pip, uninstall Ginger 2. Yes. I'll do that. And then it was going to complain about that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I guess we have to downgrade markup safe. Okay, we're building the bitstream. That's good. That's a step in the right direction. How long has this taken? Oh, that's because I have the Glasgow on top of the mic cable. Is that better? Device lost. That is not ideal. Device loss. Glasgow's still there. Da 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 da. Okay. We're booting, but we're not getting anything. Running out of TTY. Still booting there. Alright, so that... Not quite right then. NRX. I guess we'll just swap them. We'll see what happens. This is the fun part of reverse engineering, trying to get your tools to talk to the thing. That's something. Hey, look at that. We got stuff. I have no idea what bod we're at. There's a bunch of garbage. It seems to think that's an acceptable baud rate. So let's manually set the baud rate then. Okay. That's stuff. We've got the bootloader, we've got the version. Source address, size, yada yada yada. Max display resolution, minimum display resolution, it looks like. Driver for the sock. Okay. This is progress. This is something. This is something. I need another Glasgow. Yeah. Okay. So that's good. That's something good. I will... It's probably going to be stuck for a minute. I will be right back. I need to find a keyboard and a network cable. Ah, back. Sorry, it took me a minute to find a network cable that wasn't a bazillion feet long. Oops, I turned it off. Let's try that again. That's not good. Why does it keep doing that? Good. Daijobu. Let's rebap it. Yeah, okay, we're good. Keyboard. I have acquired again with this USB cable is just bad. It is no good. Double plus ungood. Also, this network port isn't getting any blinky blinks. Did I plug the wrong one in? No. Ah. Ay. Okay. There is a hotkey we can use to get into the setup menu. I just have to find it again. I guess I will unplug the Glasgow for now. Come on. I'm waiting for archive.org at the moment. Ooh, you want it? Ooh. Come on. Why is archive.org so slow? I am still connected to the internet, right? Yeah, I'm still connected to the internet. No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I need to work on my redeems and stuff. Come on. Oh, there it goes. Okay, to enter... Control pause N. Where the heck is paw? Oh, right. Control pobs. Control pause N. No? Control pause N. Okay. I might need to reboot it with the keyboard attached. It might not be happy hot plugging keyboard. Oh, thank you for the pats. Control pause N. No? Okay. Control pause B? Okay. It's a SunRay P10. There's the firmware version. There's the MAC address. Alright, okay. How do I get to the setup? Shift props. What? What is the properties key on... Okay, control, pause, M. Hey, look at that. Okay. I'd make this bigger if I could. Network configuration, that's fine. Save changes to Flash, okay. TCP/IP, up one. It's not liking my network cable. I don't know why. It's fine. Save changes to Flash, yes. Okay. And that's going to give us the same thing. Yeah, okay. Alright, well, I don't think we've got anything else to do here. Hello? Hello? Okay. Going to unplug the keyboard so I get my desk space back. I am going to turn off the SunRay and we're going to hook up JTAG. Which is going to be exciting. Okay. Oakley dokley. I think it was TXRX. What was the VOD? Alright. Gonna save that because I need to save this or I'm gonna forget it. Unplug the network because that's dead. And then we get to wire up the JTAG. Okay. So then, I need 14. This is gonna be a pain in the ass. This is going to be a huge pain in the ass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm just gonna no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm butchering more ribbon cable over here. Don't mind me. Sorry. Okay. So on the top, from left to right, we've got resets. TDI, DNN, okay. My hands are too big for this. Okay. Okay. I was one short. Come on. Okay. And then I really only need VIO and ground here. So again, these pins just flew off the header. They flew off the header because they weren't pressed all the way down. Again, I apologize that you're not able to see any of this. I would show you if I could. Okay. Okay. Come on, get on the stupid post. Don't mind me, just having technical difficulties. Problem exists between chair and pins. Come on, there we go. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's it plugged in on the SunRay side. On the Glasgow side, we'll go here. So VIO is black in this case, so that wants to go to that pin. And then the rest are ground there. Alright. And then I will try to line these up so it's a 1-to-1 on the Glasgow. If I have enough IO. And if these damn DuPont connectors would stop crossing each other. Okay. Once again, I apologize for how less than entertaining this is. God damn it. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm glad you think it's cozy. I strive to be cozy. Okay. So the Glasgow is hooked up so that how is the Glasgow hooked up? VIO, which means pin 0. Yeah, okay, so it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me note that down. Zero is 1 is filter reset, 2 would be TCK, 3 would be TMS, 4 would be TDO, 5 is TDI, 6 is TRST. I think that's right. Yeah, that should be right. Okay. And that's on, it's on port B at the moment. Yar, what be ye port? Port B be ye port. No, not that one. Okay. Oh, thank you for the follow, Nekorin24. And it just so happens that there is a debug MIPS. Uh, hi. Okay, so we want port spec is B. We want mirror voltage. And I just had these out. So pin TCK is 2. Pin TMS is 3. Pin TDI is 5. Pin TDO is 4. Pin Terst is 6. Let's just do dump state. What's the worst that could happen? All right, plugging in SunRay, which should have automatically turned itself on. Put that in the background. Plugging in the Glasgow and trying not to bump it with because it has a flaky USB-C connector. Oh. Let's see if it works. Hey, that actually looks like valid data. Found a MIP CPU. Okay, hey, this is exciting. This is exciting. This is actually pretty exciting. Start a GDB remote protocol server. Let's try that. Okay. So then we want target remote. I don't remember how to do remote GDB. Okay. 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 We have a GDB. This is exciting. This is exciting. We have GDB on the SunRay. We're stopped. You see the animation is no longer playing. We have halted the CPU. Okay. 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 I'm excited. I need to find a PDF real quick. I'm just gonna switch scenes. This is omega exciting. Omega exciting. Okay, so we have addresses here. We have ROM. We can dump the ROM. How does that sound? I don't remember how to dump things in GDB. But if we go 8T pointer at 0x, just this. What? No symbol table loaded. I don't have a symbol table. How do I tell GDB what addresses there are? It is not the Ubuntu logo. It is not. Kiri knows what it is. It's not the Ubuntu logo. How do I do absolute addressing in GDB? Yeah, it's a tape drive. Can I just dump that? Can I just dump that? What were the arguments to print? I forget. Oh. I know you can give it a size, but I just don't remember off the top of my head. Health X. Okay.そうだね。Okay. I'm just stupid. So we want X. Let's do 1024 bytes, right? That doesn't look right. Is the boot ROM really 0? Also, this is incredibly slow. The IO peripheral bus. I guess we can also look at the OTP. The one true pair. Hi! Again, it's all zeros. That shouldn't be all zeros. Why is that all zeros? I might not be identity map. I mean, but I shouldn't need to be. The JTAG memory bus might have an offset. Maybe? I'm trying to dump the ROM. Got graphics. I could try to dump a bunch of garbage into the frame buffer. Target has 0 instruction breakpoint, yada 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 yada. That's okay. Target is a MIPS R1. Cache policy read through, no allocate. That's all fine. None of that's what I want. What if I... Alright, if I do help target... Target. Continue? Continuing. Obviously not. Well, we just got attached to JTAG and we're trying to dump some amount of memory. Okay. Yeah, that's not right. Oh, hi! Thanks for the raid! We're fighting. We're trying to, Oh, hi! Thanks for following! We got attached to JTAG, which is exciting. Problematic is we can only read zeros back. Okay, so we have... That's not right. It doesn't know we're on MIPS, which is one problem. Oh, no, I'm just a dumbass. Is it MIPS 64? I was trying to use the x86. Oh god, not elf GDB. I don't want to rebuild. Yeah, that was the wrong GDB. I was being a dumbass. Should GDB be, That architecture. Yeah, no. This wasn't explicitly built multi-arch. Did that not work? Oh. I do not have SAT alerts. I should probably set those up. Alright, well let's just do the Linux. Let's just install that one. And we can... there's not a GDB built for it. Yeah, there's not like a... Oh, there is. I'm just a dumbass. Ignore me. I took a nap and all my brain cells fell out. Oh, these are all in the AUR. That's gonna take forever and a half to rebuild. Okay, I guess we're building GDB real quick. Wow. You gotta love it. It's not that bad. Yeah, I've got more than enough cores. I'll spin up B top so we can watch it do while I build. Yeah, GDB isn't too terrible. Okay. You're slightly concerned about the CPU temperature? Alright, CD, GD, Benitils, GDB. Configure. Benitils. Enable shared. With Python. What was... I have to remember the order to put the flags in. Give me a second. Little generic. Sorry, I am distracted. Okay, I just have to remember the target is MIPS 64 none elf, I think it was. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, they use MIPS. It's not too bad. There we go. Yeah, no, the SunRays are really low power. Oh, whop, hi! The SunRays are really low power, so... Pardon me while I choke while it pegs every single thread on my system. Pats, pats. Thank you for the pats. I probably shouldn't have told it to use all of my cores. Ooh, tasty, tasty. Yes, welcome to the watching GDB compile stream. At least this doesn't have to do an unexec. My stream stuff is all GPU encoded. I actually have 2 Vegas in my system. I have 2 Vega 56 cards in my system. One for my main display and one to offload stream encoding to. Hey, look at that. Why did you fail? Yeah. Okay, look at that. Oh, the face tracking was struggling. Target remote, local host, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So, GDB socket connected. Alright. Argument required. Let's... How do I get that? How do I tell GDB to dump garbage again? Okay. Ah. That's cool. Tuple object has now... What happened there? Alright, well, let's... We'll dump state again, make sure we still... Target is already... I gotta reboot it. Alright, powered her off. I have to reboot it because it's already in debug mode. That's not good. You good? You gonna come up? Okay, there it is. Dump state. Okay. Alright. GDB. Okay. Here we are. Let's reconnect. Target. Okay. Boom. Cool. Okay, now how do we get GDB to do this stuff? X, or no, it was just X 5i from here. Okay, that looks like something. That actually looks like something. Boop, 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 boop. We're just trying to read some things out at the moment. I can close that. Like tracing the bootloader? Kind of. Kind of like tracing the bootloader, the bootloader. I want to see if I can dump the boot ROM, which is here. Which is all NOPs. It should not be all NOP. Give the CPU boop to wake it up. It's awake. Is there anything in the OTP? More NOPs. Nothing but NOPs. P. We could just try to dump memory. Alt. No, this is not actual Sun documentation. If you carefully, you can't read it, but this line here. It is not official Sun documentation. Anyway. Let's actually look at, there is a, so there's the memory map, but there's actually a debug thing here. UJ tag. Is the MMU active? It should be, which might be causing problems. Yeah. So there's a section that is memory mapped. Okay, so that must contain the boot vector. We could try dumping that, see what happens. Yes, this is the docs for the SoC. Where's... The MMU should have a controller or a register. Oh, hi. IO, system bus, memory maps. System bus, physical memory map. How do I turn off the MMU if it's on? These look to be registers. I could probably mess up DDR very badly. Anyways, bus controller. Ah, mem. I don't think that's what I want though. Yeah, that's the SD-RAM controller. Power management. Try and read that, see what happens. Boop the RAM controller? That sounds like a bad idea. Again, with the copy pasta. If I boop the RAM controller too hard, I might cause problem. Again, oh, there's data there. So that looks like we're reading out registers. I'm not entirely sure how wide the registers are. Let's do... I don't know what that register means. What register did I poke at? It was the Indian register, I believe. 38. Yeah, 38. Okay, let's see what that value is supposed to mean. Little Indian. Okay. Alright. So... Okay. So, we have to find the register or what we want. That's power management, system control. Controls frequency, we don't want to mess with that. We don't want to screw up the PLLs. That would be bad. There was... Yeah, here. There is an AES engine on board, which is fun. SD controller, UARTs, this clock, PLLs, power management, PSC. Yeah, there's nothing interesting going on over the UART. Make it print a woo. Yeah, we're gonna have to take a second for that. What's this? Oh, hardware cursor control register. There's a tiny little Mali GPU on this thing. Yeah, the SoC is not even warm. Okay. So, alright, let's go back to the memory map. We could just dump the entire memory map. Yeah, I don't think this has it. Memory mapped. Memory mapped. What does that mean? What is it doing? Buzz, buzz. Buzz, buzz. Debug. I mean, maybe it's just padded a lot. Is there any way to print a whole range? You know? Like... that's not what I wanted. That is. I thought I removed the song. Maybe we'll see something other than an up. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows? So far, a lot of nops. Oh, that's unfortunate. I'm kind of stuck at what to do from here. Because it looks like there is stuff, but it's not... I guess we have to read a little bit more about how the memory mapping stuff works. Don't care about that. Don't particularly care about that. Okay, that's... I don't like that. memory structure that describes the data between a source and destination. These describe. Da-da-da-da-da. So what we might need to do is we might need to write a descriptor that that redoes the memory mapping to map over physical layers. I don't know. I'm kind of stuck. What do you all suggest? What is the static bus? Okay, static bus controller provides a general purpose interface. All around SIO peripherals. Okay, we do have NOR flash. Yeah, I am unsure. If I don't get any ideas in the next few minutes, we're gonna either have to move on to something else or end stream because we're currently kind of stuck. LB permits mapping larger 32-bit physical. So we might have to bap that. We might have to bap that. I am unsure. I've got to read the Glasgow source code for this applet to see what dropping into the Python shell does. Because if we can drop into the Python shell, then we can start writing a little bit of code to try to automate things. Let's debug. MIPS. I guess I shouldn't read that all on an external monitor to... Okay, so we have DMAC reads and writes. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Okay, REPL, P-REPL. Super Repel. JTAG probe applet. Interface JTAG probe. Sorry, I'm sorry this is so terribly boring. I'm trying to figure out what the Python REPL stuff does. REPL. Okay, what do we do if we REPL? What? Await super REPL. Okay, well, what are you? You're a Glasgow applet. Ah, cool. This is not confusing at all. Wait, async interactive console. Wait, async interactive console. Alright, and that's probably in support. A REPL. Okay. Command compiler. I'm not entirely sure what that wants me to do anyway. Cool. Okay. So what should we do? What should we do? Oh, pats. Thank you for the pats. No, we're not writing an OS and MIPS assembly. As much as I'm sure people would love to see that. I don't actually know MIPS assembly. 36-bit. Cache coherency attributes. I have no idea. Right. Right, that actually kills that. That's cool. Oh my god. The GDB remote protocol changed, didn't it? That's aggravating. Let's see what happens here. Oh, right. We have to reset you because it's bappy. How's everybody doing? I'm very sleepy. If you can't already tell, I am very sleepy. Yeah? Apparently I can't drop to a repel? Hi hi! Genki desu ka? I need to write an 8051 disassembler for Binary Ninja for a thing. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Drop into a Python REPL and detach before exit. But it's not dropping into a REPL, that's the problem. I was not. I was not aware of that. This is slightly aggravating. Where does OpenOCD keep all of its configuration files? Blah, 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 blah. I wonder if it already has a board or CPU. ls user local air scripts. It does not. Interesting. How much effort would it take to write an OpenOCD an OCD thing? Ugh. It might be a good time to stop because I am very sleepy. And can't focus too much. We've gotten to a good place though, where we know we can talk to it in JTAG. We know we can talk to it in UART. So, I think... excuse me, oh my god, I'm so tired. So sleepy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. Because I am literally falling asleep on the stream. I'm distracted, and this is gonna take some more So more brain power. So what I think we'll do next time we do the SunRay stuff is I have a load of the software. We can do software reverse engineering. Now that we know the hardware stuff is fairly straightforward. Oh my god, excuse me. I'm so sleepy. Currently it's 15:21, but for what time of day it is for me, late. I think I've been up almost 24 hours by now. Yeah. So, alright, let's find someone to raid because I'm sleepy and distracted. Who should we raid? Who should we raid? Tech Tangents is doing a thing. Oh, hi. Thank you for the follow. What is Tech Tangents up to? Oh, they're cataloging software. That's pretty chill. I'm gonna cut off Muzak there. But yeah, let's raid Tech Tangents. Sleepy Cat Girl raid. So yeah, thank you all, and hopefully we'll get something more interesting done next time. We'll do some software reverse engineering. I might schedule that for Sunday. So you'll get 3 streams in a row from me. How great will that be? Anyway, thank you all for coming. Hope to see you all. Yeah, Sleepy Cat Girl raids. Hope to see you all around. And yeah, thanks. Have fun. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow is squishy work. Working on squishy. Bye.